Alright, in this session of videos about the micron gauge, we're going to try something a little different here. So right now we have just the Blue Vac Plus Pro, just one single 3/4 inch high vacuum hose going to one connection, and we're going to data log it, and we're going to see how long just this hose without the restriction. The other night we had the refrigerant hoses we were going through. Tonight we're only going to do and see how fast it was. Remember, the first refrigerant recharging hose doing a vacuum with the core Schrader valve in place was at 16 minutes, 19 minutes. It was back in the first video. Then I took out the Schrader core valve and I think it reduced to 9 minutes in the second video. And in this video we're going to do just the 3/4 inch high vacuum hose, and we're going to see how long it takes. So let's turn it on. Look up on the counter when you hear the vacuum pump turn on. 1, 2. Why didn't the vacuum pump turn on? Okay, we had a click, but we had no vacuum pump. Okay, let's try this again. Look up at the counter on the time. 1, 2, 3. There you go. You heard it go on. Now let's see how fast this goes down. We'll see something come here, and we will see this change over here. And how long does it take? How long are we into it so far? I didn't look at the timer, so you guys are going to have to do some timing there. Let's turn on the data logger. Oh, there it goes. I think it's going to go. First stage roughing, calibrate soon, dismiss. Oh, we're already down to 81,000 microns. That was fast. 76,000 microns. Second stage roughing vacuum. 48,000. This is going fast. Let's look at that on the data logger. Boom. That was when I turned on the switch right there. 24, 23. Well, how far are we in there? When I switched it on is right there, and that was at minute. For now, if you see down here, there's minutes. So when I turned this on, the minutes were clocking away as I was talking. And when I turned on, let's see, it was right, come on, minute 3.4. Damn it. Well, we're going into minute 6 now. But you can see how fast the vacuum is going down compared to the other day in the other videos. Look at this. We're at minute 4 right there. If you follow this line up right there and you go straight up, we're about at minute 4. And you can see how fast we're going down. So do you see the drastic difference from the other videos using refrigerant hoses compared to one single 3/4 inch hose? It's a night and day difference. So we're going from right there at the minute 4 mark, we're going into the minute 6 mark, and we're already approaching. You see where it says maximum target vacuum decay 500 microns. So we're going from minute 4, we're a little past minute 6, and we're almost at 500 microns. And almost there. If I can put up. So if we take this and we come from where I turned it on, and right there. That's where I turned it on at. And if you see that, right where I turned it on, and if you keep on following down, you see that drops right on to minute number 4 right there. And we passed the 500 vacuum mark at minute 6 and about 6.5. Let's see if we can see where that is. We could get that right there. 6 minutes and 53 seconds. So from 4, 5, 6, and 43. In 2 minutes and 53 seconds, we hit 500 microns. And right about here, we're at 295 microns at about the 4-minute mark. Let's see, come on. Right there. There we go. There's 8 minutes and 2 seconds. We're at 276 microns. So now, compared to a refrigerant hose with a Schrader core valve in it, it was 16 or 19 minutes. It's like started way over here and it took a long time. 16 to 19 minutes. With a vacuum hose, a refrigerant vacuum hose with a Schrader core. Then when I removed the Schrader core, it was like 9 minutes. And here we are coming up on 200 microns. There we go. How long is it taking? 200, boom, right there, just like the other day. All right. You see the numbers clicking away right there, 200 microns. Hey, come back there. I can't make it go exactly 200. Oh, there we go, 200 microns. So right there at the 200 mark, that is 8 minutes and 51 seconds. So that's 4 minutes and 51 seconds to get to 200 microns. So that's the difference using a hose like this compared to using just a refrigerant hose. It was with the Schrader core in there, 16 or 19 minutes. Without the Schrader core, 9 minutes. And using a silicone rated hose, 4 minutes and 51 seconds on a 50-pound cylinder. So you can see the improvement. Look at, we're already down to 139 microns. All right, guys, I'll let this go a little longer and we'll see where this stalls out. So it'll get to a part where it can't pull anymore, and I'll come back to the video and I'll post the second video when I find out. When we see that this levels out and it cannot go down no more, I'll post that video and I'll show you. All right, I'll see you on the next video.